Let's go to our colored area plan now, and you can see that what it's done is assigned a different color to each area where it changed on square footage. Let's go to the annotate menu, and we're going to add a color fill legend, which is an annotation, right? It's something that explains the drawing. So I'm going to click on the color fill legend, and you'll see that it puts in by default this rentable area legend, which we established earlier, and it simply changes color based on change in square footage. I'm going to go to the properties palette to modify this legend or this color scheme. Click on the rentable area color scheme, which is the only one we have here, and you'll see the edit color scheme window. We'll leave the title to rentable area legend, but instead we're going to change color based on the name of the area. And as expected, colors are not preserved. That warning is fine. As expected, since every area in this drawing is named area, when I apply this color scheme, it's going to make everything green. But that's okay. We'll hit OK. So we have a rentable area legend that says everything that's named area is colored green. How do we change that? Well, we go in, since we can move this around, by the way. I'm going to zoom in and basically change the names so that we'll get multiple colors. Let's look again at this graphic. You can see that the suites are named D5 through D1 on the top, and then E4 through E1 and F2, F1. So let's use names like that. Let's take this area here and rename it. I can right click, zoom in on it and select it, and just name this D5. Okay, so you can see it created a separate color entry for D5. I'm going to name this one D4. Separate color for that. We're going to say, call this one D3. D2. Let's call this one D1. Let's rename these to be consistent, put a dash in between. So we have separate color for the name changes. Let's, oh, we left out one area here. Let us go in and define the boundaries, the area boundaries for that area. That it's enclosed. That should do it. Then we'll go to architecture, area, and yeah, we'll select that last area. Now that's also called area, so all these are green, basically because it changes on name. let us go and change this first one to E4. E3. E2. E1. And according to our scheme, these remaining two suites are called F2 and F1. So here we have a simple rentable area legend where as this area name changes, a different color is assigned. Thanks.